Ingenious inventions that have reached a new level. Welcome to the world of invention, where human curiosity and creativity flourish. Explore breakthrough ideas from innovators and visionaries, from cutting-edge technology to mind-blowing devices, and embark on an exciting adventure. Let's get ready to know what's possible and what's new. REM. Hold on to your helmet, folks. These skaters are about to take off like rockets with the REM system. This genius invention from Barcelona is revolutionizing the way we roll through the city streets. With a sleek handle and a powerful brushless electric motor, REM is giving skaters and rollerblades a serious speed boost. And the best part is no brakes needed, so pedestrians can breathe a sigh of relief. Just imagine gliding effortlessly for 21 kilometers on a single charge. Triton 669 AVA. The Triton 669 AVA is a luxurious model that can accommodate up to 8 people, including 6 adults and 4 children. It has a 12-hour autonomous sailing period, which allows for a variety of activities including poker tournaments, cocktail parties, and weddings. The boat can reach depths of up to 200 meters and speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour. CXC Simulations Motion Pro Truck. This cutting-edge simulator is built on a genuine automotive chassis, providing an ultra-realistic driving experience. With features like wind-mimicking fans, pedals, 4-wheel drive, and a steering wheel, you'll feel like you're behind the wheel of a real 2.3-ton vehicle. And with the option to use a virtual reality headset, the immersion is complete. CXC Simulations offers specialized software to further enhance your simulation experience. Max Space Expandable Habitats. Max Space is revolutionizing space exploration with its innovative modules for the International Space Station. The first module is set to blast off into space aboard a SpaceX mission early, marking a significant milestone in space technology. These versatile modules can expand up to 20 cubic centimeters and offer a whopping 1,000 cubic meters of space, equivalent to the entire volume of the ISS. Initially designed for storage, these modules will eventually be transformed into habitable spaces, paving the way for sustainable space living. Chrysalion eVTOL, an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle with a focus on fly-free technology, allowing the vehicle to move and stabilize itself. The prototype has been tested since 2020, and some tech magazines believe the full-fledged integrity will not be ready until the 2030s. With a seating capacity of 5 and a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour, it could be the greatest option for the future. Sirocco. The Sirocco team has created a sailing boat capable of reaching speeds of over 150 kilometers per hour to set a new world record. The boat has a hydrofoil with a supercativation effect and a kite-like sail. Sirocco is also working on the OnWatch system, which connects vessels and transmits real-time information about weather, shoals, pirate activity, and other barriers. Cootie. The Cootie dog bed offers a luxurious experience for your pet, featuring advanced technologies like music, temperature control, and massage capabilities that track their health and send notifications to your smartphone. With two-way communication and a webcam, you can stay connected with your pet remotely. The bed's thermal control system with built-in high-precision sensors allows for intelligent temperature management. HoloConnect's HoloBox, a revolutionary device that brings holograms to life in stunning clarity. Using integrated cameras and a white backdrop, users can create and display holograms on an expansive 86-inch touchscreen. With the added benefits of speakers and internet access, HoloBox is poised to transform corporate meetings and presentations. Roam Robotics Forge. The Roam Robotic Forge exoskeleton is a revolutionary wearable suit that amplifies your movements, giving you the strength, agility, and endurance of a superhero. Its modular design lets you customize it for any mission, whether you're a first responder, a soldier, or a medical professional. With advanced artificial intelligence adapting to your every move, you'll be able to sprint, jump, and lift with ease. Tiger Tug. Introducing Tiger Tug, a revolutionary platform capable of lifting an impressive 5,443 kilograms. Its 12.0 version is specifically designed to fit the Bell 212. With omnidirectional wheels, you can move in any direction, sideways, diagonally, or even 360 degrees. Plus, Tiger Tug offers customization options to tailor the platform to your unique needs. Step-In Shield. The Step-In Shield is a new floor cleaning solution that provides a simple way to keep floors clean. Its one-of-a-kind design makes it simple to put on and take off, while also providing complete dirt and moisture protection. The covers, made of water-resistant polyurethane, are easy to clean and have a thin polyurethane coating on top. Kidi Vida. These glasses have a heads-up display that shows performance, speed, and heart rate information. And they can be used instead of typical teamwork equipment. They enable hands-free voice control and can combine many devices such as a cycle computer, GPS, and health tracking gear. The glasses are compatible with various smart sports technology from OEMs and apps such as Strava, All Trails, and Keep. Monocab Owl. They suggest replacing trains with pods that can house up to 6 people, much like hiring a cab, offering a more convenient and efficient alternative to traditional public transportation. This might boost the local job market and reduce the need for private cars in rural areas. Skypack V1. Daniel Gant, a pioneering engineer, has developed the revolutionary Skypack V1 jetpack, designed for versatility and indoor use. While its power dependency raises concerns, with the current test model capable of only 2 minutes of flight on a single charge, Gant is already working on the next iteration, Skypack X. This upgraded version promises a significant boost in flight time to 30 minutes or more. With an impressive payload capacity of 136 kilograms and 135 horsepower. We've just explored some of the most ingenious inventions that are taking innovation to new heights. So, which one left you speechless? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your squad, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content. Let's keep exploring the incredible world of innovation together.